Starting fresh with Zoho Books, let's walk through how to set up a new accounting system so your business is ready to go. When you log in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home dashboard, the hub where you'll manage everything from invoices to expenses. At the top, click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select Organizations. This is where Zoho Books lets you manage multiple businesses under one account. On the Organizations page, click Manage, then choose New Organization. This begins the setup process. You'll be asked to enter your business details, like the organization name, location, and essential financial information. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate, since these details will shape the foundation of your accounting system. Once saved, your new organization is ready, and you now have a tailored accounting setup inside Zoho Books. From here, you can start adding customers, recording expenses, and keeping your books in order. And that's it. A streamlined way to set up your accounting system in Zoho Books. With everything organized from the start, managing your finances becomes much smoother. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other tutorials for more Zoho tips.